Okay, today's tutorial is going to show you how to log into Office 365 from a desktop or laptop computer. This is different than the video that we used in video 1 to show how you do so using a Chromebook for the first time. This is for you users who have a district laptop that you got back in the spring, your own laptop or your own desktop computer. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to notice your desktop. My desktop here has no icons on it, yours may. However, you want to search for your Google Chrome and double click on Google Chrome to open up your home page. The home page should be clevelandmetroschools.org. If it's not, type clevelandmetroschools.org into your address bar and click enter. Once you're at Cleveland Metro Schools homepage, you're going to see a list of drop-down menus near the top of the page. Scroll over to where you see students. Do not click here, just put your cursor over the green students box. And then you're going to see where it says Office 365, the third option down, and then you're going to click Office 365. Your sign-in screen should then pop up. This is where you enter your email and then followed by your password once prompted that you received with your computer. This is also going to be the password you use for Clever. Your email is your first name dot last name at CMSDK12.org. It's in that format. Your password is then the password you use to log into Clever. Click Sign In. It may take a few moments for your profile to load. Once your profile is done loading, you're going to be prompted by a help window. Go ahead and go through the help slides to see what's new here in Microsoft Office 365. Excellent. When your home screen pops up, it may look a little blank, and some screens are going to look different than others. However, the way to get to Clever is the same no matter how your screen looks, and it all has to deal with this top toolbar. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to what we call the waffle, or our app launcher, and we're going to click on it. It's going to give us a list of apps that we can get into. Of course, we don't see Clever at the moment, so what you want to select is All Apps. All Apps is going to open, and then Clever is going to pop up. What I want you to do is I want you to click on Clever. It will then prompt us with our Clever login screen. You want to log in with Active Directory. This is because we've already signed in to our Office 365 account, and this is going to take us directly to the Clever homepage. Logging into Clever is easy, and what we're going to see is we're going to see our favorite resources and our teacher home pages. However, we're looking for Schoology. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where we have our instant login applications, where you see a list of applications you're going to be using throughout the school year. However, you want to click on the one that says Schoology. It's going to prompt you. It's going to say, hey, your login information, is this correct? Of course it is. You've got this far already using this information. It's just checking. So what you want to do is click, yes, let's go to Schoology. It's going to ask you for permission. Read through the permissions requested from Microsoft, and then go ahead and click accept. If you click cancel, it won't let you in. So make sure you're okay with everything and click accept. Now it takes us to our Schoology dashboard, where we once again are prompted by our tabs and the information about those tabs. Don't skip over this. Read everything you have to read about what each tab does, because they're unique and they're specific to how your teacher is going to run the classroom. Your courses, this is where your courses your teacher have set up for you to select and for you to get into. Each course is going to be different. Your groups, this is to view the groups, to discuss and collaborate and share materials for extracurricular activities that your teacher has already set up for you. Your resources is where you keep all of your saved documents. It's kind of like a folder that you're going to be creating individually with your team and with your groups. Finally, the Help Center is at the bottom by selecting this S. I would not recommend selecting this before you talk to your teacher. Make sure your teacher knows your issues that you're having before you select the S. And that's our dashboard.
For help with emails and passwords, contact the CMSD tech line at 216-838-0440, extension 4.